Just waiting forever to get our McDonald's. Absurd.
We pulled in at what, 6:35?
Yeah.
About 15 minutes. It's okay. Well, it's a little bit ahead.
That's off.
That's off.
10 minutes out of the way. It wasn't right off the highway. Also, we're going to an air show today.
We're striking out left and right over here.
Almost as bad as the Muskegon Donald's. Actually, this is worse. For sure, worse. It's fine. I can say their hash browns are done perfectly.
Mighty fine.
After 20 minutes of waiting. Finally got our food. Now I'm going to enjoy.
So the door's open like right now, and we still got another 20 minutes to get there, ish. But the show doesn't start for another hour and a half, so we'll have a little bit of time to just kind of stroll around, do whatever. But there's gonna be a lot of airplanes. It's gonna be really cool.
Get all the airplanes. These are awesome.
We're like kids in a toy store right now.
Exactly.
There's so many. Alright, so there's what? The 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 guns. Yeah, I don't want to get in that thing's way. So this is the big German plane, and it's friggin' big. Savannah's already pretty small, but she's even tinier underneath it. So Chris was just telling me he's pretty sure they're gonna have all these big things flying at once. So while we watch that, let's go see what Caleb and Cameron are doing. I'm sure they're probably not doing anything because they're dumb. No, I'm not going with that. Let's go see what Caleb and Cameron are doing.
Well, that airplane was pretty sweet. As you guys know, we haven't been doing a crazy amount of riding lately. Unfortunately, a big part of that is because this has been out since our last Silver Lake trip, which was like 4 weeks ago, maybe 5. The clutch in it started acting up, took it off. Well, first it took me forever to get it off. It was like stuck to the crank. I didn't want to ruin my crank. That was a whole debacle. Now, you probably can't see it. All these weights are just shredded. And this is the new one I put in like 10 hours ago. This maybe only has like 200 miles on it, not even. And probably like 300. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Not enough miles to be looking like that. So, that one's junk. I don't know. I've got my OEM Polaris one I had sent out to be rebuilt, and I'm pretty sure I'm getting some like built internals in it, some aftermarket weights and springs and stuff, so it'll be a little quicker off the low end, hopefully. We'll see. I'm not sure exactly what he's doing. I just kind of gave it to him and told him to do what he wants with it, so we'll see. I'm still waiting for that. That should be here within the next week or two. I can install that, and then we'll be out riding again. Can't wait.
Yeah, I can't wait to go riding. It's been way too long. I feel like it's been a year since we've been out on a proper trip. And so that's just not okay. It's too long. So we got this bad boy here. We finally got some nice Nerf bars on there. We flushed the gas tank and cleaned out the carb. So that way, hopefully, there's no more fuel issues like on the last trip. But this thing's looking pretty good, and I think it's going to go up for sale here pretty soon. We just got to get it back together and make sure that the tire over here holds some air.
Looks like it's flat again.
Yeah, I got to fix that. And then she's going up on the old Facebook Marketplace. But anyway, check out this sweet airplane here.
How loud is that, Chris?
That's very loud. That's so cool.
Oh man, aren't they just having the best time over there? That looks like fun. Anyway, back here with Cam, Caleb, and Sydney, we got the truck back, and it's actually working pretty good right now. Not like this last clip right here.
That don't sound good.
Anyway, we got this all good. We got it hooked up to the trailer right now, and we're gonna go pick up. What are we gonna pick up, Caleb?
The old Grand Jeep Cherokee out there that's been out there since the Derby. That's what it was. Last year we had the Derby out there, and it's just been sitting out there since. So we're gonna load it up, or at least attempt to. It doesn't run, so we're gonna try and shove it in with the old Bobcat here, and then bring it to the scrapyard because it's got to go, or the junkyard, whoever will take it, wherever we decide to go.
It is time for it to go. It's been out there for far too long, just sitting there
With
looking real ugly.
Shattered rear windshield, thanks to Jake. Throw that clip in there.
Wow. That's really unfortunate because now I got a bunch of glass to clean up.
Wow, that was a crazy shot right there. So yeah, we are gonna try and push that in there with the Bobcat. Probably won't go well, but you know, we're gonna try and it'll be fun. So here we go.
Does it smell good? Smells very good. I thought they were supposed to go in different directions.
I know, it'd be dramatic.
I wonder if they're gonna spin around and then go this way.
Maybe.
First show's done. Now we're just waiting for the second show, which is at 1:30. What time is it?
It's 11:17.
We got a long time to wait.
We got a couple hours.
But all these people are waiting to leave, so we might go get food.
Oh, we're guaranteed to go get food. I'm hungry.
But yeah, it was a great show. Blue Angels were awesome. All the cool jets.
Just all the cool surprises they pulled on you. Just sneaking up on you from behind you and just...
They're
cool.
sneaky.
If you get a chance to see them in person, do it. It's worth it.
Next year, thinking
July 16 and 17.
July 16 and 17 is the next show of 2022. And if you haven't, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. All right, see you, bye.
All right, we just got out here. It's been a while, as you can see. The old, what is that thing? Oh, the Blazer. No, the Jimmy. The Jimmy's, that's okay. It's, you know, it's in the weeds there. That one we're actually gonna keep using. This one we're pulling out right now and getting rid of it because the motor's junk.
And the rest of it's junk. There's gotta be a couple animals living in there.
Oh, we left the window open.
Oh,
shoot.
No.
Man, that's...
Would have been nice if
you
it
hate
wasn't.
to see it. Flies are terrible out here. It's not good.
All right, let's get this thing out of here.
We're gonna try and rip it out without the chain first. We'll see how that goes, and if not, then we'll use the chain. So here we go.
Let's do this thing. Oh, 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 oh.
We're gonna need some
Caught.
assistance.
What is this thing dead? It's dead. It died. We're done.
It's
We'll see
not
you next
dead.
week.
See you next week. Battery connect. Back to the air show.
Back to the air show. We'll get this battery connection going and then we'll have it running and we'll get this out of here, I promise.
All right, while we wait, we're gonna go check out the Blue Angels because they're all lined up.
They're all on display, ready to look at.
Can't get close, but we're gonna go do that. And then we're gonna go find some food since we have 2 hours to wait.
Helicopter ride.
And Savannah wants to go on a helicopter ride, but I can't afford that. This is as close as we're gonna get, barred by this fence.
This is some high strength rated material. There's no way we're getting through this thing. Unfortunate.
So we got A10s right there, P51, that Corsair, I think, and then the Blue Angels all right there.
So the concession stands are on fire. Dude's having a hard time trying to put it out. My burger's gonna be burned.
Looks like they got it. Almost.
Oh, they're good.
That's good. Just a standard Jake thing. We're at a nice air show here, but let's take a look over there. Just conk. Mouth open. It's fine. He already seen the show once, so I guess.
Oh, I can't believe that plane did that thing over there. That was pretty cool, but we got this thing running again. We're out of here. Oh, what a view. Oh, we made it so far. But you know, we're gonna throw this thing up on Facebook Marketplace, and I bet in this market, I don't know, we can get $5 grand for it easily. I know what I got. Don't tell me anything.
Now comes the fun part where somebody's got to steer while I push.
That sounds like Sydney's job. She's the lightest. Hop in. Don't mind the animals.
Let's see. Hey, it's full of glass, so watch where you sit.
Glass and animals. Let's do this. Oh, there's brake clean.
Yeah.
We always need some brake clean, so. Good. Well, that worked much better than I thought it would. So I think we can get a little straight on. It's gonna work out pretty well here. Woo-hoo. Bit of a tight squeeze, we're scraping, but hey, she's already got paint off her. What's more? Oh, what a beaut! What a beaut! All right. Oh boy. He almost took a spill there. Ramps are off, so now we can just push her straight in. And now don't break the glass. Yep. That's all, folks. I mean, I guess it's not gonna fit all the way in, but that's what straps are for, right? Who could have seen this coming?
Oh, nobody measured to see if it would fit. Wait a minute.
Oh no.
Well, that's problematic.
Wait, look at the damage you did. Dude, you blew out the windshield.
My gosh.
Oh my goodness.
That tail light blew out.
Wow, that's just, it's excessive and unnecessary. How was your ride?
It was amazing. I'm a bad driver, but...
Well, we can see with all the damage. You guys can just go back to the air show for now. We'll see you later. Jeffrey 2.0 here. Just another little frog coming at you. Well, I don't know what we're gonna do with him, but he's gonna be somebody's snack later.
This is just a little temporary holding the door closed while we get it back up to the house, and then we'll put real chains on it and hold it down. You know what? It's pretty solid. Maybe we'll just run it like that all the way to the scrapyard. All right, let's get this thing back up to the house.
All right, we got her back, and now she's all ready to go to the junkyard whenever we go next.
Soon, so we can.
Soon, so we can get this out of here.
Yeah, the trailer can be freed up, and this will be gone.
Yeah.
And then next, I guess, will be the Ranger at some point, but we're not sure when we're doing that yet. So.
Yep, the Ranger and the old Blazer or Jimmy or whatever that thing is.
We still got plans for that. We'll see.
We'll see. We'll see. But this thing is for sure out of here now. There you go, Mom. You don't have to look at it anymore. All right, let's head back to the air show.
A10s are gonna take off. Are you ready for the A10s?
Oh yeah, buddy.
Are you ready for the A10?
Yeah.
It's gonna be sick. Second show is done, completed with. It was awesome. It was cool to see it again and actually take in everything as a second time.
Thunderbird showed up for the second show, and they were probably just as good as the Blue Angels.
We had a great spot too. They always flew right over us, whereas if you were way down on the other end, they weren't over you, obviously. But yeah.
Weather turned out to be pretty good too. This morning was nice and, you know, it was cloudy and cold. Not cold, but nice.
It got
sun
hot.
came out this afternoon and it felt great, just having the sun beating on it.
Hopefully you liked what the other guys did. We currently don't know what they did, but
we're gonna pretend we do.
Yeah. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Check out our social media. We got Instagram, Facebook. Click the other link that's down there. Buy yourself a t-shirt. And we'll see you next time.